Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start and share what I picked up from Dollar Tree so you can go ahead and do the same thing in case you want to recreate this DIY. First, I did pick up two of this wreaths. Now they did came in two. These are the smaller wire wreaths that Dollar Tree is carrying out right now. They come in two for $1. And I picked up 10 of these flowers, which are so pretty. I would think that they're called tulips, but apparently they're called crocs, or I don't know, I'm sure. I didn't even pay attention to the name of it. But I did got 10 of those. And then the wire, I think I got that one from the 99-cent store, but I do recommend you using Twine, guys. Way easier, much faster. I actually did the last wreath with Twine because I was having a hard time with that wiring thing that I got from the 99-cent store. I was struggling doing this because the wire was not being cooperated with me. It was giving me a hard time. Like, I had such a hard time doing this first wreath that I just gave up and I cut it and I threw the little things away and I started all over. As you can see here, I tied a little knot on this one. This is my second attempt to do this. And then I put the flowers, and as I put the flowers, I'll just tie them, along. I'll put another flower and I'll just tie it like not tie it, but like spin like around it and just make sure I get a good grip of it. And that's how I did the first one. Honestly, this is pretty good because I'm actually making the mistakes, and whenever the mistakes that I make, I'll go ahead and explain to you guys what I did wrong so you guys won't be having a hard time recreating this DIY. The last wreath that I did was with Twine, guys, so I do recommend using Twine. All I did was tie knots with the Twine. I cut little pieces, certain length, make sure that I have a good grip on both of them. And whenever I did that tied, it was perfect, like no struggles at all with the last wreath. So this is the final picture, guys. As you can see, they look so beautiful together, and especially if you put them against each other. Like in my case, I had my doors outside. I have two doors, only one opens, but they are similar, and I did hang them like that, like as you can see here. They look so perfect there. They were the perfect spot for me to put them at, and I'm so happy how they turned out. So I hope you guys enjoy this DIY. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.